Shout out to Focus Attack. Just ordered these Kailh Raptor series purple Glede linear silent low profile MX switches. We're about to put these in the Starburst. But I'm going to let y'all hear the switches I got in here right now are the shadow hunting switches. I think I'm going to leave a mix of the shadow hunting and these Kailh Raptor series purple Glede switches. This is what the shadow hunting switches sound on here. Bring it closer to the mic. Now let's put the purple Glede switches in there and see what they sound like. These are the purple Glede. These are the shadow hunting switches. You can hear them press. You hear that? Now this is the purple Glede ones. You can hardly hear anything. You don't hear nothing. Very nice. Silent. I like my switches clicky, but these are even more low profile than shadow hunting. So put it close to the mic. These are the shadow hunting ones close to the mic. These are the purple Gledes. You hear nothing. I'm gonna put these in the buttons. I'm gonna put these in the I'll put these in the Starburst leverless. Let me know what y'all think about the metallic buttons, man. I think these things go hard. I'm gonna put these in the leverless and we're gonna compare. But as you can hear it clearly just by me pushing the switch, these are silent. Yeah, so this is, I just changed the movement buttons to all silent and these down here to all silent, and then all my attack buttons are still shadow hunting switches. So there's gonna be a versus right here, purple Glede switches versus shadow hunting switches. These are the purple Glede switches right here as I'm hitting the buttons. Those are the purple Glede switches. They are very quiet. These are the shadow hunting switches. Purple Glede. Wow. They are very quiet, silent. All you're hearing is the button press, basically. Shadow. Let me know what y'all think.